Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
We're here, Tom. We'll help you right away. Helly, can you block off the road, please?
I'm on!
Thank the manufacturer you're alive! Huh? You're here!
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Hey, I know you. You're that girl from the party last night.
It's not garbage. It's a castle I built.
Huh?
You know how...
Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky. How's the kid? What's your hood?
I'm gonna make you sick!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face. Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, go, go. Company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us a bunch of lies, man.
Okay.
Een jong stelletje reed over precies dit gedeelte van de snelweg.
En toen zag het een
What? Then maybe. Did you hear my friend Lanny call your name earlier?
I hereby dub thee Sir Toad.
Gas, on the brake.
On the brake!
Too fast.
We're back here.
Sorry.
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good. A rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
He's lost another tire! The key and chip are coming up fast! They're entering turn...
Low and slow.
Oh, yeah, baby.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Oh boy! Francesco brought to a screeching halt. Lightning McQueen is the first.
Yes, I
I am special. I am the best.
And he chuffed right to the top.
Talking about? Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where are the girls? Bring on the
Don't look at me. I could use a break without either one of you.
Hey, Ramon can fix you up.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old...
Nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.